Have you ever wondered how the Varna system, which originated in the northwestern part of India, percolated to the eastern India and the south India, which is there in the deep south as well in Tamil Nadu and the Kerala region? Let me tell you the story behind it. The Varna system or the Brahminical system, which originated in the land of the Punjab and Haryana during the Rig Vedic period, is going to percolate to your eastern Uttar Pradesh and the Bihar region in the later Vedic phase. And after, when in the Magad, the Mauryan Empire is going to gain the power, the Mauryan Empire is going to have its impact on the Deccan area also. So this is how the culture of the Ganga Valley along with the culture of the Varna system is going to percolate to your Deccan area as well. And during the Satavahanas, because of the land grants which is being given to the Brahmanas, this Varna system is going to take much more strength. After that, during the Sangam age, though initially we don't have a very defined Varna system, is going to have the Varna system under the influence of the Brahmanas, which are going to spread this particular culture from the Ganga Valley to the Deccan area and then the deep south. So this is how a culture which is going to emerge in the northwestern part of India is going to take over all of the India. Obviously, the Varna system, why Varna system has actually gained so much importance. We all know about the repercussion of the Varna system, which we are still facing right now. Varna system in its root has some advantages also, such as the economic advantage. Because of the division of the labor, the economy flourished. That's why this social system along with the economic gain got rooted in this society. Obviously, Varna system today doesn't have as much of the economic value, but it is very much ingrained in the social structure of the society. So obviously we need to get away with the Varna system. But here is the story behind that it took years for the Varna system to take over all over the India. Thank you so much.